Anuriti, please start.
Ma'am, please make Shambhavi a presenter.
Okay.
Ma'am, is my voice audible?
Yes, yes, yes. We make Shambhavi a presenter.
Shall
Shambhavi is
we?
there. Yeah, okay. So we start? We can start.
Okay. A very good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you all to the concluding ceremony of the Faculty Development Program on Data Science with Statistical Methods using R programming. Data science helps the organizations to not only convert the raw data into a meaningful information, but it also lets them predict the future market trends by visualization of the data and analyzing it with the help of different statistical tools. Amity University Lucknow campus organized this faculty development program to train the next generation educators in this domain. This FDP aimed to minimize the gap between demand and supply of data scientists and to enhance the quality of education imparted in institutes by providing faculty members with a platform to learn all they need to know about data science and analytics. The facilitators got an opportunity to learn the best practices in these domains, and they can now better guide the future workforce about the required skill sets.
This 5 days FDP comprised of sessions on RStudio, graphical representation of data, measures of skewness and kurtosis, correlation, regression analysis, hypothesis testing by Dr. Shalab, use of data science to make efficient industry decisions by Mr. Anand Prakash Awasthi, analysis of variance, basics of design and experiment, hypothesis testing, non-parametric testing by Dr. Arvind Pandey, data management, data transformation, and introduction to machine learning by Dr. Amod Kumar Tiwari, and a session on mental health and well-being by Dr. Manju Agarwal. We would like to extend our heartiest gratitude to all these speakers who took out their precious time to become a part of this FDP. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Assistant Vice Chancellor and Director, Amity School of Engineering and Technology, Wing Commander Dr. Anil Kumar Sir, has been a constant source of inspiration to all of us. A seasoned academician, he is a visionary and an idol from whom we all derive motivation. I take immense pleasure in requesting Sir to address the online gathering.
Thank you, Shambhavi. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Our honored guests, speakers this afternoon, and all the participants. At the outset, let me congratulate all of you for a splendid performance in participating in this very, very important FDP. I know it must have been really difficult to take out time and stick to the schedule, to do the assignments and learn the topic. My compliments to each and every one of you. I would also like to place on record our indebtedness on behalf of the Amity University, Lucknow campus, for all our honored guest speakers, experts, Professor Dr. Salab, Dr. Arvind Pandey, Dr. Amol Tiwari, Dr. Manju Agrawal, Mr. Anand Kumar, our industry expert, for taking out time and giving a splendid talk on the subject. As I had said right at the beginning, data science indeed has emerged as a very, very powerful tool in solving the problem with a new insight. Like any other technology, it has its own skill sets which are supposed to be learned. And we made an endeavor that you start from the basics, because if the basic and the foundations are very strong, then you can build entire structure on top of it. So I'm indeed very grateful to our speakers who held on to the basics and made sure that basics are learned And on that basic, the foundation of critical thinking and creative analysis was worked upon. As I had said right at the beginning, the data sciences are all pervasive. They are impacting the world in a very, very big way. There is almost no area where this kind of a digital analytics has not impacted. Apart from this, it has created tremendous job opportunities in this pandemic. So there is always a requirement for very skilled persons. And who could be the better source for creating these resource person other than the faculty who are spread over the length and the breadth of the country? And I entrust upon each and every one of you that you give your maximum 100% in the basic course and in the advanced course, so that you can bring in a real distinctive quality change in the students' outlook, in the students' thinking towards how to handle data sciences across different streams and background. Like any other technology, the data sciences too has a life cycle, you know. So it's going to be, some of the big estimates are, it's going to be about a decade before artificial and machine learning, the advanced computation techniques overtake it and turn it out redundant. But let me tell you, here we are not only making you future ready, but we are also making you future proof that as the technology is changing, the fundamentals will never change. The critical thinking will never change. And what will not change is the human angle, which was deliberated by Dr. Manju Agrawal. I think she has given a wonderful exposure to the human angle of the entire problem, because you cannot dissociate human beings from technology. If you dissociate the human factor from technology, the problems are going to come. So I think that was a very, very important input. And of course, the important input by our industry expert. I would also like to compliment my organizing team, Dr. Anuradha Mishra, Mr. Vineet, Dr. Deepak Arora, Colonel Vivek Mathur, who put in a lot of hard work in organizing this entire event. I was constantly monitoring, but not intervening, your WhatsApp group. And I was indeed very, very happy to see some of the feedbacks which faculty participating in this FDP have given. I think it's a job well done, and we can be justifiably proud. And we hope that the second course of FDP, which we are planning from 25th to 29th October, is going to be really more interesting, more rewarding, and more challenging. On these words, I once again compliment all the faculty members across the country who have come and attended this course. Well done, and hope to see you again in the advanced data science programming FDP, which is scheduled in the month of October. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would take the pleasure of requesting Dr. Shalabh, sir, Professor at the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at IIT Kanpur, to address the online gathering.
Friends, first of all, you see, I already have addressed you all, and I'm sure that you must be tired of listening to me, and which I personally feel that at the age and the status which you are as a faculty, the most difficult job for us is to listen to others, because that is the trait which we have developed to become the teacher, that we think that we are always correct. But anyway, I'm really grateful to all my audience and all my participants who gave me the strength by listening to me patiently and asking frequent questions, which had put me always on toe and always attentive. So I'm really, first of all, grateful to all the participants, each one of the participants in this workshop. because I saw this number was always between, when that was fixed in the morning at say 105 or 106, and that remained 105 and 106 throughout the day. So I really salute you all to have such a wonderful capability to listen. I don't know. Well, this was my first time that I had conducted this workshop in an online mode. But I'm really happy the way Dr. Anuradha Mishra and her team has planned it, and the way they managed it. That was awesome. That was wonderful. And for me, it really couldn't look like much different from the physical workshop. Yes, there was some difference that I can come to your table and can look into your problems and can sort it out. But anyway, you people also took keen interest in solving your problem yourself, and you were always asking me the issues. So, and you were always helping me out, because I always say I am also a human being like you. And it is very difficult for me to speak 6 hours continuously, 3 days, for 3 days. But I always say that is your motivation which gives us strength. It is something like this. My laptop was always connected to the our supply, and so that was also working continuously for 6 hours a day. So my source of energy was all of you. So thank you all for giving me a continuous supply of the energy which forced me to speak continuously for 6 hours. Thank you all. And as I said in the beginning, my objective was not at all, or I will say that I'm not so good that I can make you expert in statistics or data science in 3 days. But surely I tried my best to take out the fear from your heart that statistics or data science is difficult. And I tried my best to inculcate a way of thought process. That is the most important thing. Means if once you start thinking in that direction, then and then the things becomes very easy. They are not difficult at all. So I tried my best. I don't know how much successful I am, but anyway, that will only the time will tell. That once you start working in statistics or data science, and if you feel that I have helped you, I will be thankful to God that I have done my job. I'm grateful to you all, means in the MIT University, that you people are taking such an initiative. And these things are very important. They are the part of the social responsibility. So I'm really grateful to starting from the director to the bottom of the MIT University employees. Right. I'm also grateful even to that Chaprasi who had given a cup of tea to Anuradha when she was preparing the proposal. So my heartfelt gratitude to you all, and I wish all the participants a very good future in the data science. The future is bright. Now it is up to you how much you want to fly. The sky is the limit. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time into this faculty development program. Now, I would take the pleasure of inviting Dr. Anuradha Mishra, coordinator of this faculty development program, to propose the vote of thanks to the online gathering.
Thank you so much, Shambhavi and Anukriti. First of all, you both have done a tremendous job along with Abhishek. Thank you for inviting me. It is said that no duty is more urgent than giving thanks. Honorable dignitaries and our most valued guests, it's my privilege for proposing this vote of thanks in this prestigious concluding ceremony of the Faculty Development Program on data science with statistical methods using R programming. It was a 5-day long journey and it has ended up very successfully. By this, I can assure by looking at your valuable feedbacks that I'm receiving on mails, on WhatsApp, and through the sessions as well. I, Dr. Anuradha Mishra, on behalf of the entire AUUP Lucknow fraternity, extend my heartfelt gratitude to AICTE Atal Academy for its commitment towards the development of quality technical education in the country through FDPs like this. Had they not been accepted my proposal, this would not have come to its original form. Thank you so much, AICT Atal, once again for accepting my proposal and giving me this chance to become the host of this FDP. Thank you so much. I would like to thank our eminent speakers. The chief guest for inaugural session was Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna sir, ex-director AICTE. He gave his thoughts on data science. He gave practical exposure and the need of the hour to study data science. Our very own Dr. Shalabh sir from IIT Kanpur, he gave us valuable time of 3 days. Somebody amongst the guests, the participants told that they had requested sir to give 1 hour time, and sir could not spare time for this, the 1 hour to that particular person. And I'm really thankful to God that Shalabh sir gave me 3 complete days for teaching, and I am very much grateful to you, sir. He gave insight into our programming, into its usage on making data science or dealing with big data beneficial, how we can do it through practical aspects, taking various examples. It was very nice, sir, and the hands-on sessions were awesome. Then we had Mr. Anand Prakash Avasthi on fourth day. He delivered an industry expert talk. He gave us various statistics on what is the requirement of data science. He gave various examples. He took online data set and he executed those data sets in our programming, and the practical exposure was very good. Then we proceeded on that day itself, and Dr. Arvind Pandey was our next guest from Central University of Rajasthan. He took the deep concepts of R programming along with the basic concept, the deep concepts of statistical techniques, because when you look at data science, nothing is complete in machine learning or artificial intelligence without the study of statistics. So he gave us the brief of it and also the hands-on experience on R programming. Then today morning we had a session with Dr. Amod Kumar Tiwari from Rajkiya Engineering College, Sonbhadra. He gave his talk on data transformations, data mining, and that was also very much about our topic. Then we had one meditation, or we can say that it was a mental health and well-being session taken by Professor Manju Agrawal ma'am, which was very nice session. In spite of some technical glitches, because the weather was very bad outside, so we wasted 5-10 minutes, but she took extra time to take it to complete the sessions. I am thankful to each of the eminent speakers which I had invited, and they had very much with whole heart they had accepted my invitation and given me time. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I wish to express my gratitude to Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, who is the founder, president, Amity University, Dr. Asim Chauhan, chairman and chancellor, Amity University, Dr. Balvinder Shukla, vice chancellor, Amity University, Professor Dr. Sunil Dhaneshwar sir, pro vice chancellor, Amity University, Lucknow campus, wing commander Dr. Anil Kumar sir, assistant pro vice chancellor and director asset, for believing in me and motivating me to apply for this FDP. I take this opportunity to thank all our guest invitees who took out the time to attend this faculty development program. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. It requires meticulous planning and an eye for details. I thank Almighty for having blessed me with such nice people, for a nice partner, my better half, Dr. Praveen Kumar Mishra. He has given his every bit towards the successful planning of this event. His colleagues gave us time so that we can have discussions during the planning, because it was not easy to plan this stepwise sessions of the FDP. So I am thankful to Dr. Praveen Mishra for giving us his valuable time throughout these 5 days. He was present during every session. Thank you so much, sir. I think all the coordinators, the inaugural team, the attendance management team, the report writing team, everyone has given his core bit. I thank to Colonel Vivek Mathur sir, Head Department of Civil Engineering, for standing by my side on each and every step throughout the organization of the FDP. I thank Dr. Deepak Arora sir, who is the Head of Computer Science and Engineering at Amity University. He has given every bit to this FDP. I thank all my senior colleagues, Professor Dr. Namta Dhanda ma'am, Professor Dr. Wajahad Rizvi sir, Professor Dr. Pavan Singh sir, everyone, Dr. Brahma Jela, everyone in my team, everyone, Mr. Vineet Singh, Ms. Shika Singh, Ms. Garima ma'am, Dr. Vanda ma'am, everyone has cooperated with me with full heart. Thank you so much, my dear students, Shambhavi, Anukriti, Abhishek, for your valuable inputs for the successful organization of this event. So, last, I would be very grateful to Dr. Gaurav Mathur sir for providing me with Mr. Abhinav, Wing Commander sir, for providing with me Mr. Salim, who all worked day and night with me for successful organization of this event. Thank you so much, everyone, for your willingness to make this faculty development program a great success. Thank you so much, everyone, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Yeah, just Anuradha, just one clarification. Yeah, means I'm sorry to that participant who said, yeah, but I would say share to all the participant. Believe me, the life is very difficult for me. I get up at 7 o'clock when my wife forces me, and believe me, till means continuous without taking any nap or rest. I work continuously till 1 o'clock in the night. So except the 1.5 hours of evening walk to take the fresh oxygen. And one after means another, there are so many commitments which I have to do that it becomes very difficult to give time to all of you. And that was the precise reason I insist for my this online things which are helping thousands of students at the given time. And so, yeah, please don't take it otherwise that I am intentionally doing it. But you can believe that now if you try to see, there are more than 500 slides which I have to prepare myself. Now, if there is another person who is requesting me to give the means asking for the workshop or say any lecture, I need time to think about the lecture and then to prepare the slides. So giving 1 hour of a lecture requires at least 2 weeks of thought process.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, sometime I can use some of my earlier slides, but it is not always possible because the gathering is always different. So believe me, I'm a very simple man, and you can call me at 24/7 if you have any doubt. But yeah, but it really happened that sometime I feel short of time in my day-to-day life because I know that I will get retired at the age of 65, and after that the institute will not allow me to work here. So I'm trying to use my best time.
Sir, I remember since March, mid of March, after Holi, I started contacting you, and you have answered every message of mine. And when I am not clear on messages, you just call me up. So that cooperation was tremendous, sir, because the planning of the sessions were not easy. Everyone is appreciating that the session plan has been done very nicely. So I would admit that this has been done with the guidance of Shalabh sir, with the guidance of Dr. Praveen Mishra, with the guidance of Arvind sir, with the guidance of Anand sir. Everyone has given their contribution that yes, this part would be better if you keep it after this, or this part would be better if you keep it before this. So in this way, the gradual planning of the session was very good. Means the link did not break anywhere. So that
Means anyway,
part,
Anuradha, either this is Praveen or say means Arvind, you or anybody, they are the part of my family. That so how can you allow anybody to spoil the family function?
yes, sir. I'm grateful for this gesture of yours, sir, from the bottom of my heart. We are indeed a family, all of us. Thank you so much, sir.
Right.
Anukriti?
So all done today.
Um, Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Now I request everyone to stand for the national anthem.
My my bandwidth is low, so I have to switch off the camera.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Okay, sir, can we stop the meeting, sir, now with your permission?
Yes, we may please end this meeting.
Thank you so much, everyone, once again. Thank you.